All right, it's been 3-4 hours since we glued these end ribs on. I've cut this nose and piece to length and pre-fitted it, make sure it fits okay. We're going to glue it on. Then I got to come back and just slightly hit the corners with a sander to sort of conform to the inside, because that's going to go right in here in this tip, and it's not flat. We'll do that after it dries hard, maybe late tonight. Right now it's lunchtime. Well, it's actually a late lunch. I'm on a lunch break, and we're going to knock this out right quick, get another step out of the way. Guess what? It's still a beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia, like you don't know. You don't know, we got a nice breeze blowing now. I don't know if you can hear it. Nice breeze blowing, about 75 degrees. Ooh boy. I mean, it's beautiful out. All right. A little foo-foo juice in there. That's right. Don't need much, it's a pretty tight fit. You know, I like a tight fit. Besides the plywood, I'm bending it right now for the airline outside. The nosing plywood for the airline. There's only 2 pieces of wood left in the box. I can see the end. Now, when I first started to build one of these wings, I'm like, man, they're really, really complicated. You know what they are, but after you built one, not as bad as you think. Once you get a little idea of what you're doing. All right. She's pretty daggone straight. Let that dry for 3-4 hours and we'll do a little sanding right here, a little here, touch that up on in those ribs. I'm ready to put the skin on. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. See you on the next exciting episode with me, Scott. Hope you have a blessed day. Don't forget, you know where the Lord is. Keep looking up. Take care.